Hey there, James here, and welcome to my daily videos. So I decided I have seen so many websites with the push notifications that pop up. I decided, hey, why not? It's another way to get leads, another way to get people to subscribe to what I have to offer, and that is, of course, products online. So I decided to put it on my own website. So let me show you what I did and what I found and what I'm using for my push notifications. Now understand that I just started it. The only sign up I have right now is myself, but I plan to have a lot more, of course, as time goes on. Okay, so here is the interface, and it's called Push Crew, and I will have the website URL below, pushcrew.com. They have a 10-day free trial. Then you upgrade, and I don't quite remember what the upgrade is as I'm talking here, and I don't want to go to that right now. So when you go to this, if you decide to put this on your website, you'll find all about it. Now, I'm not making any money from this. This is just a how to put push notifications using one particular website called Push Crew. There are others you can choose, but they're all pretty much the same, I think. So if we go here, I've already set up my first initial subscription pop-up thingy, for lack of a better word. And so I put my text here, which is the title. Put notifications can be turned off. That was default. Allow, don't allow. That was also default. James Sancimino would like to send useful info to help your business. So this is, what it looks like when it comes up on the website. And I'll show you what it looks like, because even though I've signed in on one computer, I haven't signed in on this computer. So it's popping up now and asking me to subscribe or not. So this is what it looks like on my site right here. So pretty simple. I'll show you in a second how it works. So I get all this information, goes up after 5 seconds. It's very editable, for lack of a better word. You can make changes all you want on the fly, and they show on your website then. And then of course you can have one-time campaigns, triggered campaigns, just like you would your email addresses. So this is how it looks on a phone. Okay, this is how it looks on your PC. So this little tab that comes on the side after the person has said yes or no, the tab pops up on the side like that in order to possibly in the future get the person's attention, and they will subscribe. It's pretty much the same. You write down the text that you want, etc., etc. And then it winds up here. It'll wind up right on the right side here. So I'm hoping to grow my subscription list. I have an email list right now. I'm hoping to grow a list this way also. A lot of the gurus, what I affectionately call the guys who are making thousands of dollars a month right now, a lot of them, or mostly all of them, are doing it. So I figured, well, it was inevitable for me. So let me show you what happens when I hit allow. This is a double opt-in. So the person has to go to their site that pops up, pushcrew.com, and has to allow again, right? And once that happens, they're in. So now when I send a notice, I'm going to get it every time on either computer. I have a computer on the side of my desk and in front of me, so that I'll see what they look like when I send them and how quickly they pop up, etc., etc. Anyway, so this is what you can do. Go to pushcrew.com, and you've got 10-day free trial. It's worth a shot. You just if your website's popular, you'll probably get some sign-ups pretty quick, and you can tell people in Facebook that you now have a push notifications, and if they like anything you do, why not subscribe to the push notifications. That's what I'm going to do. And eventually, like I said, I'm going to be setting up the one-time. Usually when I do promotions, when I got quite a few subscribers, at least 10, I'll start doing promotions at the same time I'm sending out emails. The one thing they do say is they suggest you do, only one a day. You don't send out 5, 6, 7 a day, because then, people will start unsubscribing. It's a little different than email. Hey, almost forgot to show you how to install it on your website. Sorry about that. So here's the script. Okay, if you have a regular HTML website, you would put it in the head before the closed head tag. But if you've got what I have, and a lot of people have, a WordPress site, of course it works with all these too, which is pretty cool. I have a WordPress site, so I clicked on this. It opened up this, and then I hit this, and there's this Push Crew 1.2. I loaded it on. I did it from my other computer. And then once I was into my website, I added a new plugin. And so, let's see, yeah, the plugin's right here. Push Crew. So it's a little tricky finding. You got to go on to Settings, Push Crew. Okay. And then you put in your Push Crew ID right here. Save the changes, and it starts working. As simple as that. All right. So that's it for the install part. Now, of course, they'll have directions on the Push Crew website in case what I showed you it's not making any sense, or I showed you too fast. I've only got so many minutes on these daily videos. Otherwise, they get boring, and you go away. I don't want you to go away. Okay, that's that for the installation. All right, so that's about it with Push Crew. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson on getting a push notification thingy on your site. Until next time, talk to you later.